Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to shot match in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, select the clip you want to color match to the one with the look you like. Now, hold the Command or Control key on your keyboard, and then click the clip you want to match from. Then, right-click and select Shot Match to this clip. Boom. DaVinci Resolve does the heavy lifting, and your clip is now matched. Here what it does. Automatically adjusts the color and luminance of your selected clip to match a reference clip. Useful for maintaining visual consistency across shots in a sequence. Works best as a starting point. You can fine-tune the results manually afterward. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!